Hello. It's currently 7:10. At the moment it's 13 degrees Celsius. With a low of
So, Captain Pugwash has arrived in style. We'll show you his bike in a minute. He's given me a little present to go on to the Monkey. Check it out with a little bit of a banana on the back. That's very nice.
Oh, it's all right. It's good.
That's going to add to it.
That's properly engineered, laser cut piece of engineering.
Did you do that yourself?
No, it's actually a guy who was. We met on the Facebook.
Yeah.
He's an engineer by trade, and he got in touch with me through the channel.
Yeah.
And he said, "Look, I'm doing these particular products." And he's churning these things out, and he's international now.
Wow.
Yeah.
So everyone's going to have them on
New
there.
York, Paris, and Peckham. Yeah, it's
big plug.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
But it is a very cool. It's going to go on my bike, obviously, as soon as I get back. But thank you very, very much.
No, it's all right. It's great.
How was your ride?
It was all right. It was a bit cold coming over. It was. We've set off. We've done 75 miles to get here.
Wow. Come a long way already, and you've got another 100 to do.
And I've just done night shift as well.
Bloody hell.
So I only finished at 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. Came back, changed, and showered.
And then
bed for an hour. Then I even slept in actually. And then I've got to get going. And then it's been flat out all the way here. Didn't really want to come on the motorway.
Yeah.
Two of us on the motorway on the M60.
Oh, you went on the motorway on 125?
Oh yeah. Frightened to death. Yeah, frightened to death. But because there's two of us, it's you're twice as wide.
And you stay behind the truck and you're good.
Yeah. So it's been really good. And then coming back over towards from Hyde onwards, it's just like going towards Glossop slightly. Picked up a bit of the A57, the A6, and it's been a great road.
Yeah,
it's been really nice scenery. Yeah.
Sounds quiet. Do you have to wear earplugs? Can you hear me now?
I'm deaf anyway.
That is very nice.
I'm deaf anyway.
Very, very nice. So how is everybody? You good?
Yeah.
Excited? Nice. I've not said hello yet.
It's Gareth.
Hello, Gareth. You all right?
Yeah, great. Thank you.
Is yours the monkey or a monkey or?
The other one over there.
Oh, very nice. See, yellow's the best colour.
It is,
yeah, without a shadow of a doubt. Anyway, thank you all for coming. Like I said, there's a lot more than I thought was here. So the plan is a shower of brute. We're all going to line up. We're going to ride through the shower of brute to give you ultimate protection, because obviously we're now the most sexiest people in the entire world. Guaranteed. We're going to have a little bit of green smoke as well coming out the back. That's a later scene. So again, there'll be lots of stopping, lots of pulling over. Be loads of smoke coming out. I'll ride past you all. There's a challenge between me and the Sidekick that includes like a cup of water on our heads, and we can find somewhere really quiet and who can go the furthest. Then we can film other people doing it if they're interested in teaming up and having a challenge between themselves. And then what else have we got going on? That's it, I think. Other than that, it's pretty much the route. Like I said, Jack's going to lead. I'll take some leads at certain points. I'll be coming past with cameras all the time. As soon as we look anywhere that's good for the drone, we'll be pulling over, sending the drone up. I'll be trying to catch everybody going down the hills, and it's basically winging it, but it's going to be really, really, really good. So if we can all sort of saddle up on our bikes, get them in the line up, and we'll get this whole sort of scene shot. If that's all right with everyone? Yeah. Cool.
Center of attention, they all want some. I'm like fire, hot as the sun. The dance floor is burning, call 911. Hands on my body, I'm loving the heat, but it won't come easy, nothing's for free. If you want me, then prove it, baby.
Well, Sidekick, mate, my heart's going a million miles an hour. This is something special.
I know, it's mind blowing, isn't it? I just can't believe how many people we've got here. Just, you know, the first time we went out, we had one guy turn up, Andy the Legend. The Skeggy run, we had more people come, and now look at it, we've got even more and more.
I know what, it's special. All these people that support us are here.
Yeah, it's amazing, isn't it? It's really, really good of them to come along, and it's a bit, like you say, it's a bit nerve-wracking. When we went out this morning and there's people stood there, it's like you don't know quite what to say to them, do you?
It is incredible.
It is.
Now the big question is, do you need a poo yet?
I'm all right. I went plenty of times this morning and I knew I was going to be nervous.
Has anyone asked you to sign their bald head yet?
No, not yet. I don't know if anybody has got a bald head, but...
Have you got any clippers?
Not with me.
Oh, damn it. Are you having the time of your life?
Yeah, it's good, isn't it? It's lovely. These roads are amazing.
It's something special, isn't it?
After so long being locked up and us not going anywhere, and it's incredible. So we get back out on the bikes, out in the countryside, a load of people, another load of bikers with us. We're having the time of our lives.
It is beautiful, mate. It is beautiful.
I get around despite the loss. I'm over here, gotta get across. Whether you like it or not, there is a moment meant for us. And now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested, open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me, shadowing me, I won. Oh, the sky is on fire. The lake has turned to a golden sun. Oh, I'll never get tired. I just wanna dance, just wanna run.
So, we've got Biker Buddy here.
Hello all.
How are you doing?
Really well.
Now,
Yeah.
what's the dog's name?
Buddy.
Buddy.
I'm just the sidekick.
Now,
He's after the flies.
Buddy bites, right?
Yeah.
At least me.
Yeah, well.
Every time I get close, he doesn't like the helmet head. It might be the brute.
We would like to taste of that fly. He hasn't bit anybody yet. Well, people say he bites, but I said he hasn't drawn blood, so that doesn't count.
Doesn't count?
Count
So the little teeth marks all down my arm.
Oh, yeah, that'd be acceptable in the world of Buddy, who's at the minute on a bug fest.
So you're on the Triumph Tiger 800. Obviously, I've had one of them, as you've probably seen on the channel. Is it your favourite bike?
Yeah, it's in my top 5 of Triumphs, considering I did all the development work on this bike in the first place. Yeah, it's one of my favourites.
Yeah?
It's definitely a keeper.
Yeah.
And, it's playing up today though.
Well, what's wrong with it?
It's a little bit lumpy, it's a little bit...
Is it because you're trying to keep up with the monkeys, do you reckon?
Yeah, that's the problem.
Because the power of the monkey, it must be hard to keep up with us.
My wife's struggling on the street, you know, he just left us.
It's just like it. Zoom, it's gone.
It took us nearly an hour to catch up, to be fair.
And then the other question I was going to ask you, what is your favourite helmet head video? The one you've probably watched the most?
Oh, there's so many.
There's a lot, isn't there?
Yeah, there's so many. I do like the Sidekick and yourself when you're sort of battling it out.
Having a
Kick your
race.
ass every time.
Well,
being a Sidekick, it's nice to see the underdog win.
You know that stopped happening now though. Now I've beat him once. I mean, we're going to have something on later, so he might reclaim the title. But
I think he will.
We'll wait and
I'll
see.
be cheering him on.
Sidekick stick together.
He'll be cheering you on. So
Yeah, that's all right. And then he'll bite me again to say, well done.
Yeah, he won't bite you if you win.
That's the plan. So we're here with another subscriber of the channel, Matt, and all I'm going to turn around and say is, Matt, are you having a fantastic time?
I am. I am. We're having a good day.
Have you been watching the channel for a long time?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, pretty much, yeah.
What's your favourite episode?
It's got to be the green lane in, where you were fording the bikes.
Do you reckon if I push the Sidekick off, it'll be better? Especially in a big puddle.
I think you should joust.
Oh, I like that.
I think you should
Jousting.
Yeah.
That
Especially
sounds
that
like a
bridge
plan.
where you were going over. Yeah.
Yeah, I could as long as he gets one of those dodgy ones that breaks, then I can have a proper one. We could use Jack's old spear thing.
You're well away.
Yeah, I reckon it'd be good. And you're on the Honda Monkey.
I'm on the Honda Monkey, the
Now
fastest bike of all time.
Exactly, you picked the best bike in the world.
Yeah.
So is that your only bike or your favourite bike?
No, this is probably one of my favourites.
Yeah.
I've got a few, but this is probably one of my favourites, yeah. I've done more miles on this in the last year than any of the others.
How many miles you covered now?
I've done 3,000 on this in the last year. So
you're enjoying it
quite
then?
a lot, say we've been locked down.
Yeah. I'm sure you've not been out at all for those essential rides.
No. You fit a lot of essentials on this bike.
Yeah, it takes everything. We know it can carry an entire country on the back.
Yeah, exactly.
Fantastic.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself. And I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la la.